Hey, subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to ring that bell. When you ring that bell, you get all my videos instantaneously. Like today's video. Hot dogs! How great are hot dogs? Even vegan hot dogs are pretty good. Listen, I live in New York, so I'm a little spoiled. I have 3 food items that are very good. Pizza, very good. Although Chicago pizza is pretty good too. Bagels, New York bagels, outstanding. The other thing is hot dogs. And also, Chicago hot dogs are also very good. But the New York hot dog, whew, outstanding. Not so much the hot dog though, but what goes on top of the hot dog. Sauerkraut, that's a whole nother video. The hot dog itself, that's also a whole nother video. But the barbecued onions, so important. And very few people know how to make them correctly. So today, I'm telling you how to make these onions. Mwah! Delicious! Hey, this video is for you and all those who love a good hot dog. Okay, so we start very simply by slicing up 2 nice large onions. And how I slice them, cut off the ends, cut the onion in half. I take off one layer of the onion. You see there's a grain over here. You can see the lines in the onion. I want to slice it with the grain. I want to slice it as thin as I can without cutting my finger off. Of course, there's going to be a secret ingredient to this barbecued onions. Or some people call it the onion sauce for hot dogs. Or hamburgers, doesn't matter. I use them for hot dogs. And that secret ingredient is green pepper. So I use 2 large onions. I'm going to use half a large green pepper. And I got to cut it into strips. So I cut the onion in half. I smack it down like that. And now it's flat. Cut it into strips. Also, as thin as possible, without cutting my fingers. Hey, it's important not to cut your fingers. Have a nice sized saute pan. It's a little preheated. I'm just going to use some vegetable oil. Maybe 1 tablespoon will be enough. And I'm adding all my onions. A 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. About 1/2 teaspoon of salt. It's been about 10 minutes and you see the onions have reduced. They've cooked, some of the moisture's come out, and they're wilted nice and a little translucent, beautiful. We need a kind of a barbecue sauce to start this with. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this product called bone sucking sauce. Bone sucking sauce is a barbecue sauce. It's a very nice barbecue sauce. It's got some good sweetness and it's got some good savoriness. It's very, very balanced and very delicious. Bone sucking sauce. Awesome stuff. I'm going to leave a link in the description so that you can go to their website and check it out. And it's all natural. No high fructose corn syrup in here. Bone sucking sauce. Good stuff. A cup of bone sucking sauce. Then I'm going to add about a cup of water. I'm adding the sauce to the onions. Beautiful. And now, I'm going to let it cook nice and slow. Hey, this is going to take a little while. I'm going to check it about a ½ hour. And a lot of this water is going to be evaporated and you're going to be back with the original bone sucking sauce. But the onions and the peppers have now really cooked down and it's going to be delicious. Okay. This has gotten like quite thick, still saucy because it is an onion sauce. Let's put this hot dog together. Okay, first the rolls. And we're going to use potato rolls. And the best potato rolls I know are Martin's potato rolls. This is a vegan hot dog. Now, the trick to sauerkraut I don't care what kind of sauerkraut you use. Just buy it in the refrigerated section and it'll be okay. Beautiful sauce, right? Smells delicious. Okay. And the last thing we have is something a little special. You know, bone sucking sauce? It's not just barbecue sauce. They have the most amazing mustard. Bone sucking mustard. It's fantastic. It's sweet and it's savory and well balanced and wonderful. I need to put mustard on this hot dog, but I don't have to use Gouldens. I don't have to use a deli type mustard. I can use a very special, delicious mustard, and that is bone sucking mustard. Awesome. Drizzle it right on top. Look at that. Woo! Delicious. And you can use your onion sauce on more than just a hot dog. And the bone sucking sauce, scroll down and get that bone sucking website. Check it out. They got great products there. It's a great product. All natural. No high fructose corn syrup. Wonderful. This hot dog, this is my hot dog. Get away from it. Get away from that hot dog. It's my hot dog. All right. Hey, want to check out something really great with hot dogs? I got a pizza. A Chicago pan pizza with Chicago hot dogs on top. Whew. That's something special. You got to check that video out. I'll see you there.